Here we go.
Activation is not requested, but spotters are encouraged
Tornado watch.
severe weather through the web by going to weather.gov/Atlanta. Please relay any.
Here we go. Tornado watch.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 188, effective until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday. This watch includes the following counties in Georgia: Banks, Barrow, Cherokee, Clark, Dawson, Forsyth, Franklin, Gwinnett, Havisham,
Hull,
Hart, Jackson, Lumpkin, Madison, Oconee, Pickens, Stevens, Walton, and White. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Here is the hazardous weather outlook.
This is only the beginning of a potential severe weather outbreak.
Central